In this video segment, I'll be going over the range function in Excel. Now the range function is quite useful feature, especially if you use a lot of pivot tables and vlookup formulas. As an example, note that the vlookup formula here has cell arrays, or table arrays, I'm sorry. You could either type in A1 through G25 or give this table a name, say data 1, and instead of calling A1 and G25, call it data 1. And you can copy this all the way down, and please note that it's always referring to that particular data table rather than A1 through G25. This is useful because if you had typed in A1 through G25, each time you copy it down, the references will change. So therefore, you might be not looking at the right table. Now, if you want to modify the table or the range, you can go into Formula, Name Manager, and look at the data, the name that you gave it, data 1. And note that it's referring to cell A1 through G25. You can modify it to maybe exclude G and only include F column. Press yes. And note that data 1 table only includes up to F column now. Same thing could be achieved in the previous version of Excel by going to, first you have to highlight the table, going to the name box and give it a name, set 1. Please note that in the name box, you have to give it a name that is not going to conflict with the cell reference. So for instance, you cannot give a table name of A1. If you do, it will take you to the cell A1. And same thing with AB25. Note that it took you to cell A25. As for editing in the previous version of Excel, you go to Insert, Name, Define, and Set 1. And let's just say you want to include H. Okay. Please note now your data table includes column H.